In today's digital world, speed is king. A fast website is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Every second counts when it comes to your website. Studies show that even a 1-second delay can lead to a significant drop in conversions. A slow website can kill your traffic and sales. Potential customers will leave before they even see what you have to offer. People are impatient. They won't wait for your site to load. In fact, 40% of users abandon a website that takes more than 3 seconds to load. If your website takes ages to load, visitors will bounce. This means lost opportunities and revenue. They will go to your competitors. In a world where options are just a click away, you can't afford to be slow. Your bounce rate will skyrocket and your search engine rankings will plummet. Search engines prioritize fast-loading websites. Google doesn't like slow websites, and neither do your customers. A slow site can damage your brand's reputation. You need a website that loads lightning fast. Speed enhances user experience and keeps visitors engaged. This is where WebX comes in. Our solution optimizes your website for speed, ensuring that you don't lose customers due to slow loading times. WebX is a revolutionary new software that is set to change the way you build websites. It turns simple keywords into blazing fast websites, making the process incredibly easy and efficient. With just a few clicks, you can have a fully functional website up and running, ready to impress your visitors. No coding, no technical skills needed. WebX is designed for everyone, from beginners to experts. Just enter your desired keyword into the search bar and let WebX do the rest. WebX will generate a stunning website layout that is both visually appealing and highly functional. It's that simple. WebX uses cutting-edge technology. This ensures your website loads in the blink of an eye, providing a seamless experience for your users. Speed is our priority. We understand its importance in today's digital landscape, where every second counts. A fast website can make all the difference. With WebX, you can be confident that your website will not only look great, but also perform exceptionally well. Join the revolution today. Let's say you're a florist. You want to attract more customers online. With WebX, you simply enter the keyword flower delivery. WebX will create a beautiful website. It will be optimized for flower delivery services. It will have pre-designed templates. You can customize these templates easily. Add your logo, images, and content. Your website will be ready to go live in minutes. It will be optimized for speed and performance. Section 4. Beyond speed, the WebX advantage for SEO and user experience. WebX is not just about speed, it's about creating a holistic digital experience. WebX does more than just create fast websites. It ensures that every aspect of your site is optimized for peak performance. It also optimizes them for search engines. This means your site is not only fast but also easily discoverable by potential visitors. Our software understands SEO best practices. It uses advanced algorithms to ensure your content is relevant and ranks well. Your website will rank higher in search results. Higher rankings mean more visibility and more traffic. WebX also enhances user experience. A seamless, intuitive interface keeps users on your site longer. A fast-loading website keeps visitors engaged. It reduces bounce rates, ensuring that users find what they need quickly. This leads to more leads and conversions. The longer visitors stay, the more likely they are to convert into customers. WebX is your secret weapon. It combines speed, SEO, and user experience to give you a competitive edge. It will help you succeed online. With WebX, you have the tools to dominate your market and achieve your business goals. Section 5. WebX for everyone. Transforming businesses across industries. WebX is not limited to any specific industry. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or a large corporation, WebX can help. Create a website for your restaurant, online store, or portfolio. The possibilities are endless. WebX empowers anyone to establish a strong online presence. No matter your technical expertise, WebX makes website creation easy. Section 6. The future of website creation is here with WebX. WebX is at the forefront of website creation. We are constantly innovating. We are adding new features. Our mission is to make website creation accessible to all. We believe everyone deserves a fast, beautiful, and effective website. Join the WebX revolution today. Experience the future of website creation. Click the link below this video to get immediate access to WebX.